Hello there. So now I'll unbox this MT-44 ulanzi tripod, and it also used for selfie stick. I was thinking, so I will buy. So already I have bought it. Look at this. Right. So there it is. And what it is here, so it is a manual guide how will you use this selfie stick and mobile tripod. So here is picture how will you use, as you can see. All right, and like this way, so it is 33 centimeter. It is 33 centimeter, but it can be long, more than 3 feet. All right, and it is a movable. So here is lock. So if you want to move anywhere, so you have to unlock. So look at this. All right, so everywhere you can move. And so this place is used for DSLR camera. So you can set up DSLR camera on this place. And here is another place. So this place is used for mobile. All right, and we can say all in one. So there are some facility here. Right, and in this option, so you can set light. All right, and also you can set, if you want to set microphone, so you can set on this place. So it is a lock option. So if you want to do long, so you have to, first of all, you have to unlock. Right, so I'm unlocking. Okay, so now look at this. So it's more than 3 meter long. You can long more than 3 meter. Right, look at this. Right, and so if you want to set up on the floor, so you have to do it this one. Right, okay, so okay, so you have to do it. Okay, okay, so look at this, and then okay, okay, look at this. So now you can set up on the floor. So look at this. So how much it is long. Right, so if you want to make this small, so you can do it. All right, and so if you want to close, so you have to do it. All right, okay, so now it's okay. Okay, okay, but if you want to set up DSLR camera, so first of all you have to set up here, and here is one wheel, so you can do it to set up properly. Right, and it's really very comfortable, and so everywhere you can use. So it's very easy to carry, so wherever you go, so you can carry it very easily. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, unboxing video. So and bye for now.